Hi, I'm Terence from Autofidelity and welcome to our demonstration video for the Audi MMI 3G Plus Navigation Retrofit for Audi Q7. Because this retrofit utilises the Audi MMI 3G Plus system, the operation is identical to the factory fitted product. Today we'd like to give you a brief demonstration of most of the main features or navigation functions to get you started. Today we want to show you how to enter a destination, adjust some of the navigation settings, and also find some points of interest. Okay, first you need to select the navigation function. To do that, just select navigation in the main menu. And from there, you can select a destination just by selecting destination from the navigation menu. Select address and put in your destination. You can start with either your street or your town. Today we'll start with the town name, and we're going to Moorabbin. You can go down to the list and select from the list, and there's Moorabbin. Then we can add a street. Today we're going to Kilpa Road. Select that from the list. Then you can also add a house number. Select OK. And then select Start Route Guidance.
Your route is being calculated. You have reached your destination. The destination is on the right.
You can also enter a destination using the voice control function. To enter a destination in this way, you can simply push the voice control button on the steering wheel, and then say the relevant voice commands. Here's an example. Enter address.
Please spell the town.
Moorabbin.
Please enter the line.
1.
Moorabbin has been accepted. Please spell the street.
Kilpa.
Please enter the line.
1.
Kilpa Road has been accepted. Please say the house number or say Start Route Guidance.
26.
26 has been accepted. Would you like to start route guidance?
Yes.
Start route guidance. Your route is being calculated. You have reached your destination. The destination is on the right.
The Audi MMI system also has a substantial database including points of interest. For example, if you're in need of fuel, the system could guide you to the closest petrol station. Here's an example. To find points of interest, simply select Destination, select Special Destination. You could go to Top Categories, and then Next Petrol Station. This will give you the list of the closest petrol stations. Simply select one and start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated. Please turn right.
There are also several adjustable settings which allow you to tailor the system to suit your preferences. To adjust the settings, simply select Settings, and you can adjust things like map type and map content. for example, map type, you can adjust between 3D position and 2D position. When we go back to the map, this will then give us a 2D view instead of a 3D view. You can also adjust map content. This allows you to include or remove different types of map content, including 3D landmarks, 3D city model, all sorts of different favourites, and things like airports and the all-important Audi service centres. To remove, just select and that will untick the box, and to include it, just select it again. Autofidelity are able to retrofit the Audi MMI 3G Plus navigation system for Audi Q7. You can find more information about this product on our website at www.autofidelity.com.au. I'm Terence from Autofidelity, and thanks again for watching.